In this video, I'll guide you through how to track add to cart in Google Analytics 4. If you're running an online store or working with e-commerce data, being able to see how often people add products to their cart is essential. It helps you understand user intent, measure funnel performance, and spot issues before they hurt your sales. We'll walk through how to surface this metric right inside your standard GA4 reports using the built-in customization options. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to the property you want to work with. If you have multiple accounts or properties, double check that you're in the right one, because the changes we're about to make apply only to the selected property and report. Once you're in GA4, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on the section labeled Reports. This is where you'll find all of your standard reporting views, including acquisition, engagement, monetization, and more. We're going to customize one of these standard report overviews so that add to cart data is easy to see whenever you open your reports. Inside the reports area, click on Report Snapshot. This is usually one of the first options you see, and it provides a high-level overview of how your site or app is performing. It shows cards with traffic, engagement, conversions, and other key information. We're going to tweak this view so that it also includes the add to cart metric you care about. To do that, look toward the top right corner of the report snapshot page and find the pencil icon. This icon is labeled something like Customize Report. When you hover over it, click on this pencil icon. This opens the customization panel, which lets you choose which dimensions and metrics appear in the report. You're not changing the underlying data, just how it's displayed in this particular snapshot. In the customization view, find the option that says Add Metric and click it. Metrics are the numerical values GA4 calculates for you, such as users, sessions, conversions, and in this case, add to cart data. By adding a metric here, you're telling GA4 to show that specific number in your snapshot so you can access it quickly without having to dig through more detailed reports every time. When the metric selector opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search field and type Add to Cart. This filters the long list of available metrics down to anything related to add to cart actions. If your e-commerce tracking is set up correctly and the relevant events are being sent to GA4, you should see several related metrics appear. From the list of results, click on Add to Carts per active user. This metric shows you on average how many add to cart events occur for each active user. It's a helpful way to understand how engaged your visitors are with your products, beyond just looking at total counts. Selecting this metric will add it to your report layout. Once you've added add to carts per active user, confirm and save your changes in the report customization panel. After saving, your report snapshot will now include this metric as part of the overview. From now on, whenever you open your GA4 report snapshot, you'll be able to quickly see how frequently users are adding items to their cart, alongside your other key metrics. That's all you need to do to start tracking add to cart performance directly in your Google Analytics 4 reports.